everyone, welcome back to my channel Instant Engineering. So I'm continuing this as a series of videos for the subject EMF. This comes under the first chapter, that is vector analysis. So the main part of this chapter, that is what we are going to learn in this video. Okay, so it's nothing but gradient of a scalar field. How to find the gradient in a scalar field. Okay, so let V denote be in a scalar field. V is in a scalar field. Okay, the vector whose x, y, z coordinates are, you will consider these coordinates as, okay, we are considering a V, right? So dou V of x, dou V of dou y, and dou V of dou of z is termed as the gradient of V at point x, y, z. For x, y, z, you are just taking this V as a scalar field, and with respect to that you are taking this as the coordinates. Okay, now so gradient V can be denoted as, it is written as grad V, also you can tell it, or del V. So this symbol, you know, for the gradient you can write it as like this. So this del symbol is read as del. You can just say del V. Del V is also called as gradient of scalar field. Okay, so by definition you can call it as grad V or del V as dou V of dou of x, u of x, uy, uz. You'll just add to this. Okay, we have already taken this coordinates as dou of V, dou of x, dou of z, right? Here just you are adding u of x, u of y plus u of y plus u of z. Okay, then you will be getting this this equation for grad V. Okay, so next coming to this expression can be rewritten as del V is equal to V, taking V, and all these things V is there, right? Taking V as common, just write it as dou of x ux, dou of dou y uy, dou of dou z uz. Okay, common is V. So the gradient V can be represented just like this. Okay, this expression within the brackets represents a differential operator del. You can also tell this whole thing, whatever, if you equate these two terms, V is V, right? Now the del, this del value, you can just take it as this. So it becomes del is equal to, okay, dou of dou x u of x plus dou of y dou y uy and dou of dou z uz. Okay, if you equate these two, again repeating these two, this del becomes this one, V is V. Okay, so this del value is this one. This can be called as differential operator. I think this is clear, right? Next coming to the topic is divergence of a vector field. So here also similarly, let V denote a vector field. Okay, and let V is V of x, U of x, and Vy, Uy, and Vz, Uz. Here, then the sum of this partial derivatives, if you take for this partial derivative, then it becomes dou of V of x dx, dou of Vy dy, and dou of Vz is dou z. It is termed as a divergence of the vector V. Okay, so by definition you can say this divergence diy is the divergence over here. So divergence V is equal to dou V, same thing you are just writing here, V is equal to dou V of x, V of y, Vz. Okay, so this can be read as del dot V. There we just read that del V, right? So here del dot V is called as divergence of a vector field. So del dot V is equal to, same thing rewriting here, dou V of x dx, dou Vy dy plus dou Vz by dz. So this is called as divergence of a vector field. There what happened is, just recollecting again, here we just took V over here. Okay, no x and y, z. Just V, we took that as common, dou of dou x, and this will be same. Okay, here we are taking V of x, V of y, and V of z. Okay, this is how divergence is. Okay, next coming topic is Laplacian of a scalar field. Let V represent a scalar field as studied earlier. The gradient, now take the gradient one which you took the first time, right? V, that is del V is equal to dou of x ux, dou of y uy, dou z uz of V, right? So next determine the divergence of this one. Okay, we took the gradient, next take the divergence. Okay, so by definition, divergence of del V, okay, for this one if you take the divergence, that is nothing but del dot del V. or you can write del or del v, it is del into del v is this thing, right? So just write over here everything, this exact equation just write here. Okay, or you can simply write, again simplifying this, you can write as del into del dot v is equal to d of d, this one u of x will become dv by dx, d by dy into dv by dy. I mean multiplying both the divergence and the gradient over here, you can just simply write d of dx by dv by dz. Okay, so this is how you will get the Laplacian. This is nothing but delta square is equal to, delta square v is equal to dou square v by dou x square, dou square v by dou y square, dou square v by dou z square. So this is called Laplacian of a scalar field. I think this is clear, right? You just wrote, after writing this, you're substituting again this dou value we have right over there, you're just multiplying this with the above equation. Then you will get this, multiplying this to, you are getting this delta square, I mean del square v. After this del square v, this here also v is common, right? You can take v as a common. So dou square v by dou x square and dou square by dou y square and dou square by dou z square. So this can be again written as del square is equal to, okay, this becomes dou square dou x square dou square y square. Why? Because here this v and this v gets cancelled. So this, the remaining part, just write it over. This is called the Laplacian, Laplacian of scalar field, Laplacian. Okay, I think this is clear, right? So coming to the next, so curl of a vector field. Always remember in this derivations, if it is a vector field, you will just take it as v of x, ux, vy and uy. Okay, if it is scalar field, then you will take dou v of x by dou of x, and you will write the derivative part if it is a scalar field. Otherwise in vector field you just simply write like this only. Okay, so now consider another vector whose x, y, z coordinates are, you have to consider these as the coordinates. This is x, y and z coordinate. Okay, so what is this? Dou v of z by dou, see, for x term, just for remembrance telling you, if it is x term here, for curl of a vector, remember this, if it is x, then the first term you will not get anywhere x values. Okay, just remember it as dou vz of y, okay, and vy of dou z. So the opposite things will come down. Okay, y will come this side. Okay, for example, for just your remembrance I'm telling you, write something like this, x, y, z. Okay, now you are writing for your remembrance only I'm telling you. Okay, this is not practically proven. For remembering how to write this, I'm just it's like a tip. Okay, if it is x value you are taking, first you have to write about z, or just write it in the form of a circle, x, y, z. Okay, now you are finding about x, right? Then dou vz by dou y minus dou vy by dou z. Okay, first start with z. Now this is done. Now after, if you want to find a y coordinate, then go like this, x value, dou v of x, if v of x is there, then vz. Okay, next here y is there, y we don't want, right? Next z value, dou vz by dou x. If it is z, go from this side in a cyclic process. Okay, here you will get it as dou v of y by dou x minus dou vx by dou y. Okay, if it is x, the only y and z terms will come. Y means only x and z. If you want the z coordinates, then you will get it as in the form of y and x. Okay, this is how you have to remember these three coordinates. Okay, next how to solve this is, this vector is termed as curl of a vector v, curl v. Okay, or del cross v. There you have done del dot v. Okay, curl means cross here, del cross v. So we have curl v is nothing but del cross v. We have del values in the first equation, I mean first gradient of the vector we have find out now, del value, that one, and into v. Okay, so here the curl coordinates what we have taken over here is these, right? Dou v of vz, we took this as the coordinates over here. Okay, so similarly writing those coordinates over here, this one into u of x, this one into u of y, this one into u of z. Okay, u of x, u of y, u z. So writing this in a computational notation, you can just write it like this. Okay, u of x, uy, uz, dou of dou x, dou y, dou of dou y and dou of dou z, vx, vy, vz. Simply write this. So if you want to find u of x value, like in the matrix form, how we will be doing this? I think you people know this, right? So if you want to find out, I'll just try to help you with this one. If this one you want to find out, okay, just okay, just cover this and this one. So the remaining part which you can see, I think you are able to see, right? Yeah. See, so that becomes dou, this cross multiply these two, take this one and this one, dou vz dou y minus dou vy by dou z. That is what you wrote here, right? Again, if you want this one, consider this two, the t value will be gone. So this multiply this cross multiply for matrix, like how we do, dou x vz minus dou vx dz. That is what you got over here. Okay, again here for this one and this one will be, so this cross multiply, okay, you will be getting this one. So you can represent this curl del cross v in the matrix form also in this way. So if you remember like this, it will be very easy for you to derive the equations. Or you can go with the example I have given, x, y, z. You can go along with that also. Okay, or in the matrix form we will be writing this in this way.